guys, hope everyone's having a good day today. So I'm actually changing it up on my page and doing a wig video. I always come with extra clips and a couple little wig caps. So this is the wig. Oh, it's so pretty. Such a wearable green. And putting a wig on, you need to have your hair in braids. If you suck at French braiding like me, just do regular braids. That'll work too. What you're going to do is you're going to pin them in an X across the back of your head with a couple big bobby pins. Usually work better. I went ahead and pinned it back. I have little dead hair and like frizz in front, so I like taking wig gel and just taking some in my hands and just flattening the front to make sure everything stays down. I put my wig cap on. There's one side with a band, and you want the band to be at the front of your head, not at the back. So you're just gonna pull it up and just pulling it over top of everything. And then I just pull my ears out. I always get the Lacefront wigs, so they come just like this, and you have to trim them to your face. So I'm gonna go put the wig on and come back and do that. The wig is very much half on, so this is kind of what it looks like. I didn't tighten it or anything. So all we're gonna do is trim along the side here of our actual hairline. I went ahead and cut the rest off camera just because I wanted to make sure I did it right and I could focus and get close to the mirror. But I'll just show you guys. I left like the smallest little bit of lace. You need a little bit just so you can actually glue it down to your skin. That's what we're gonna use. Before you can actually glue the wig down, you'll need to actually size it. So it comes with little hooks on the inside at the bottom. So I already know my size. The closer in you go, the tighter it'll be. So you'll just have to play around with that and figure out your size. I'm gonna hook it in the front, place my hand and hold, and then pull the straps underneath my actual hair. And then remember that hook I showed you, you're just gonna hook it underneath. If you're just using the wig for like selfies, you could stop here, really tight to your head, like a little pulling isn't gonna rip it off. I have a small head, so I get little gaps in my wig, so that's why I like gluing them down. You need the gotta be glued hairspray and a blow dryer. It's super important that you're holding it flat to the skin, and you just want to make sure that no wig hairs are caught underneath it. To glue it, you're going to spray a little tiny bit, rub it in, and then take your blow dryer to it. The wig is glued down now. I'm going to give you guys a tip. If you have a bigger forehead and you want to minimize that, bring the wig down a little bit. Also, when you're blow drying, sometimes hairs you don't want can get stuck down. So if you take tweezers, you can just pull. I did my makeup first for the sake of the video, but you should always do your makeup last because when you spray the glue, it can disrupt the makeup underneath, and we don't want that. I'm so excited. We're finally on to the styling part of the video. So I'm going to show you how to do space buns. Now, I don't like mine pulled right from the front. I kind of like starting it in the middle back area. So you can use a comb to kind of like separate things. Just like that. And I just have elastics. It'll work better than like a hair tie because synthetic hair is a little bit more slippery. So it'll slide out if it's a thicker band. And then just starting it in the same area. Now we're gonna do the actual bun part. So I literally just twist it, use my finger to twist it around. Just like so. And then I just take my band and pinch it all together. And then we're going to use bobby pins to clean it up. sometimes I need a lot of bobby pins. The little ones are handier for this, but I only have the big ones. And they're pretty even. There you have it, space buns. I've just been wearing this for a little bit and I want to say, like, honestly, this is my new favorite wig. I've wanted to dye my actual hair this color for so long and I'm just feeling myself and it's so pretty. So thank you again, UniWigs.